Let me say you a short story. There was a TV talk show where four men were seated as judges, and they were asked to talk about the struggle they went through and how they got their job. I'm telling you this story because I want you guys to know about the title of the story. It is the title of the story is a quote from one of the men who was seated as judges. The quote was, "A woman stole my job." Here, though they were judges, there is only one question to be asked to them. Why is the title of the show, "A Woman Stole My Job"? Actually, it's about the one word, "my." Where did the idea that job is going to be theirs has come? Why has the title of the show not been "A Woman Stole My Job" or "Women Stole a Job"? It is because without comforting men's sense of entitlement, I repeat, without comforting men's sense of entitlement, I don't think why so many men are restricting in involvement of gender inequality. Making gender inequality visible to men is the first step to be involvement in equality. The more a woman speaks about feminism, the more she realizes that she has been fighting for her own rights and opportunities, which has become more often and which is similar to challenging men. When a girl is at 8, she is being called bossy because she was directing a boy play. When the girl is at 14, she is being sexualized by certain things from the media. When the girl is at 15, her girlfriends are dropping out from the sports team because they don't want to be called muscly. And when the girl is at 18, their friends refuse to confess their feeling. She decided that she was a feminist, and that seemed complicated to her. Recently, she found that she has become a feminist. Girls are mostly chosen not to be called as feminists. Apparently, she was many of the ranks of women whose expression were more stronger, more aggressive, more isolating and unattractive. Why the word feminist has become this odd word? It is the right that every social woman should offer the same equal rights as every social man. But sadly, I can say that there is no one country in the world where all women face the equal rights as men. There is no country in the world which has achieved the gender equality. Let the equality of girls and women create more speech in the society, community, and nationally and globally. Let the girl child in the family receive the support to decide the decision making of the family once she complete her basic education. Let the equality be a quote until it becomes the gender revolution. Let oppression become expression and suppressions become evolution.